Okay, I'm here in Provence, France. We're going to a wedding and I have to be ready in like 50 minutes. So I'm gonna do this as fast as I can. I don't even know what dress I'm wearing. Okay, so I just sprayed my hair with hair protectant spray. I'm gonna section my hair. I'm going to attempt like an old Hollywood hairstyle. While it's heating up, I got all these really great goodies from Wonder Skin. Maybe I'll put one on. Let's try this. Okay. This is in the shade Lovely. I've never tried their lip stain before. Let's see how that turns out. Okay. I watched 2 tutorials on TikTok to show me kind of like how to do this. I wish I had like an old school curling iron, like the one that has the clamp on it. The only one I have is this one. But I noticed that usually like I would curl these backwards away from my face, but they do it towards the face. Okay, that's too big of a chunk. We woke up at 3:30 in the afternoon here. Okay, so I forgot that I got these hair clips. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna take it and then I'm gonna clip it. Okay. Alright, so the trick, if you really want your hair to stay in something, it's not about how hot you get it, it's about how it cools. I do know that. I want to make sure that these cool, curled still. Okay. Okay. My light just went out. Just did the bottom half the best, but it's gonna have to do. Now next section. I look crazy. I look so crazy. Okay. This is so sloppy. I also burned myself about 5 times. Like I seriously have so many burn marks on this hand. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Come on, come on. I'm excited to see how this turns out. Gosh. Okay, doing the top half. I'm gonna start taking some of these out just because I'm gonna need some more of these. Sure. Okay. You're so close. Now this part, I don't know, y'all. That's as good as it's gonna get for now. Coordination. Okay. Now the very important part, to get this look. Okay. Then I want to brush it out. Oh, you know what? This didn't turn out the way I thought it was gonna do. It's not terrible, but it's just not. Actually, it didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted it to, but I'm gonna keep this wrapped. Okay, let's do makeup. Okay, we're gonna see how this turned out. It's very subtle, like very natural.
You be able to cut that out?
Yeah, of course. Okay, we're going fast. Going in with my Makeup Forever, this is the Pore Minimizer primer. going in with my Hourglass concealer. This is in the shade Khaki. I'll do that one, and then we're going to go in with a brighter one here. Okay, let's do that. Because we're in a rush. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and start. Alright, now going with my Rare Beauty. This is in the shade Happy Soul. There. And then a little on my nose. Taking my Hourglass brush. Going to blend these. I'm so sad we slept so late today. I wanted to lay out with everybody by the pool. We literally woke up, went by the pool just to order coffee, and I came inside to shower, and now I'm doing this. Okay, blending this. Okay, get into my hairline. Oh. Surprisingly enough, I'm not gonna say I don't want to put a lot of makeup on, because every time I say that, I was jinxing myself. And I put way too much. I'm gonna set this. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Sorry if I'm mumbling. I'm like really need to make sure that I'm getting ready more than I'm filming. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of ad breath. And this is with NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Rich Auburn. This is a little too warm, but it's okay. Okay. I'm gonna take my bronzer and I'm gonna set where the contour is with powder. A little on my nose, in there. Okay. Sure. I'm gonna go in with this palette. This is the Master Neutrals. Yeah, the Master Matte to the Neutrals. And I'm gonna take, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go with the brush like this. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna start on the bottom today. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go in with, actually this one. I'm gonna start here and buff it. Oh geez, this was a lot. I'm gonna take some of this taupe colored one, and since I'm here, I'll just add a little more. Now I'm gonna do some blush. This is Kosas and Thrill. Cutie.
This does look amazing.
It looks so good. It looks so good. I love that. Now I'm going back into my palette. I'm gonna grab
One more.
going with my highlighter.
Favorite.
There. Oh yeah. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara. Not a lot. Okay, I'm gonna figure out what dress I'm wearing first. Okay. This is actually my backup dress. No, we're fine. You don't have time. Okay. Some bronzer, because for some reason my face is darker than my body and I don't know why. This is my Sol de Janeiro lotion.
beautiful as bow ties.
Bed head, wax, and wax this. Wax this little up there. I'm gonna add just like a little flick of liner here, just to kind of make it look a little more intentional. I have no idea what I want to do with my lips, so I'm just gonna do, this is Hourglass and Candid. It's a little dark. I'm gonna try, this is Hourglass. Yep. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna take my favorite Kosas powder. Give it a shine. Okay, baby. Fix some of this mascara on that. Two's right here. I hate what's going on here. And my favorite perfume, this is Idole by Lancome. That's rich coming from you. Maybe I should bring this. I don't know. Just adding a little more of a. I'm gonna go in with, while my curling iron is heating up, I'm gonna go in with my butterflies. My Kosas blush and butterflies. Really. I don't know, maybe that was just too much. We have such a good group of friends here, and this wedding is, oh my gosh, yesterday was the welcome party and it was mind-blowing. It was so stunning. Nora. Again, we're gonna go back in with this. Wow, I'm really shocked that this turned out pretty decent. Not exactly the way I want, but. Wicked thing to say. He never felt this way. What a wicked thing to do. Okay, that's it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna drag this out just a little more. Alright, that is it. Thanks for being with me in this hectic thing. I'll link everything below, and maybe I'll get some videos of this wedding at the end.